Birds. They surround us, they sing for us, and they soar above our heads in a world we can only dream of entering. But how well do we truly know these feathered marvels? Today we embark on an in-depth journey into the fascinating world of birds. From the tiniest hummingbird to the majestic eagle, from their incredible migrations to their unique behaviors, let's discover the secrets of these winged wonders. Chapter 1. The Evolution of Birds. Birds, as we know them today, are the result of millions of years of evolution. Long ago, in an era ruled by dinosaurs, a group of reptilian creatures began adapting to life in the skies. Archaeopteryx, one of the earliest known bird-like dinosaurs, had both feathers and claws, along with a long, bony tail. Over time, these creatures evolved into the astonishing variety of birds we see today. Chapter 2. The Anatomy of a Bird. What makes a bird a bird? The most obvious feature is feathers. Feathers aren't just for show. They are essential for flight, insulation, and communication. Birds also have lightweight yet strong bones, allowing them to glide effortlessly through the air. Their lungs are more efficient than those of mammals, enabling them to fly at high altitudes without difficulty. Chapter 3. The Art of Flight, Mastering the Skies. Not all birds fly in the same way. Some, like the albatross, can glide for days without flapping their wings. Hummingbirds, on the other hand, beat their wings up to 80 times per second and can even fly backward. Birds of prey, such as falcons and eagles, use rising air currents to soar high above, scanning the ground for their next meal. Chapter 4. Songs and Communication. Birds communicate in ways that are unique in the animal kingdom. Their songs and calls serve many purposes, from attracting mates to marking territory and warning others of danger. Some birds, like starlings and parrots, can even mimic human speech. But how do they produce such complex sounds? The secret lies in the syrinx, a specialized vocal organ that is far more advanced than human vocal cords. Chapter 5. Migration, Nature's Greatest Journeys. Every year, millions of birds embark on epic migrations, traveling thousands of kilometers in search of food and breeding grounds. The Arctic tern, for example, flies more than 70,000 kilometers annually between the North and South Poles. But how do birds navigate? Research suggests they use a combination of the sun, stars, and even the Earth's magnetic field to find their way. Chapter 6. Intelligent Birds, Avian Genius. Birds are often underestimated, but many species display remarkable intelligence. Crows can use tools, parrots can solve complex puzzles, and pigeons have an extraordinary ability to navigate. The New Caledonian crow, in particular, is known for its problem-solving skills, rivaling those of primates. Chapter 7. The Unique Relationship Between Humans and Birds. Throughout history, birds have played a significant role in human culture. The eagle symbolizes power and freedom, while the dove represents peace and hope. Birds have also greatly influenced science. Charles Darwin, for instance, developed his theory of evolution, largely based on the finches of the Galapagos Islands. Chapter 8. Threats and Conservation. Unfortunately, many bird species are facing significant threats today. Habitat destruction, climate change, and poaching are endangering countless species. However, conservation efforts worldwide are helping to protect them. By raising awareness and creating protected areas, we can ensure that future generations continue to enjoy the beauty of birds. Conclusion. Birds are incredible creatures that play an essential role in our ecosystems. They pollinate flowers, disperse seeds, and help control insect populations. Whether you are an experienced birdwatcher or simply enjoy the cheerful songs in your backyard, birds remain a source of wonder and inspiration. Let's cherish, admire, and protect these fascinating creatures, because without birds, the world would be a much quieter and less magical place.